time now for Local Live, a look at some of the events and activities going on in our area. And we begin with the Portland International Auto Show. We've taken you there throughout the morning with Brian McMillan. If you love cars, you're going to want to head to the Oregon Convention Center this weekend. Doors open in just about an hour, 10 o'clock this morning, and you can go to the auto show until 10 o'clock tonight. Tickets are $10 for adults, $5 for kids, and $8 for seniors. If you're not into cars, maybe you're into cats. The Holiday Inn at the Portland International Airport is where you want to be for the International Cat Show. You can see every kind of cat you can imagine. All you need to bring is $4 and 2 cans of food for the Oregon Food Bank. If you don't bring the donation, admission is $6. This event starts now, 9 o'clock this morning, and runs till 5. Those are the same hours tomorrow. If you're in a giving mood, you'll want to head on over to Fred Meyer this week for the Unmentionables Drive. The retailer is collecting socks and underwear for the Portland Rescue Mission. The drive starts February 1st and will run through the 20th. You can buy packaged socks or underwear and drop them in the collection barrels near the exits of the store. If you're looking to get your kids interested in the arts, why not check out Northwest Children's Theater and the school's winter performance. Students will be presenting Robin Hood starting this weekend. It will run through February 20th. Tickets are $18 for kids, $22 for adults if you aren't a theater season ticket holder. Show times are 7 o'clock on Friday and Saturday, 2 o'clock on Saturday and Sunday. If you're in the mood for some comedy, this is pretty neat. You might want to check out the Antiques Improv Show tonight at the Brody Theater. Bring in your real antiques, and the actors will use them as inspiration for the show with hilarious appraisals and improvised stories behind your old treasures. The show starts at 8 o'clock. Tickets are just $10. That sounds like a lot of fun.